Hi guys, I hope you are enjoying the warm weather. I want to talk to you about this week's work. So we are on we are on week 7 this week. We're still on Tom Sawyer. You are going to complete a Tom Sawyer quiz, read those chapters of Tom Sawyer. When there's a comma, that means it's just that chapter. You're going to do a group discussion board, which I had initially had this, but it's only going to be in the group discussion board format that you will respond to one of those questions and respond to 2 of your classmates' remarks. Then you will have a eulogy. I want to have a sneak peek to our midterm exam, so that will all be due Friday of next week. And then we have week 8 is midterm week. So what's happening for midterm week is you obviously have your midterm exam to complete, and that will be due on Friday. And then before then, so this will be due by Wednesday, is to complete the Jeopardy review game. So it's something that's going to happen. It's a group assignment. You will click on this, and let's say if you are in group 1, you need to get together in some way, and I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. But once you've kind of decided what your answers, what your questions will be, you will go here and you will be able to edit. If prompted for the password, your password is password no caps, just put it in. And you guys are creating 5 questions, so from easiest to most difficult, about your topic. So each group was given a topic. I have added some information for you. So it'll say units of study. So this will help you with children's lit, fairy tales, Alice, Tom Sawyer. There's also a teaching tips area where I talk about each of these. So that will help you with the teaching tip if that is the category that your group was given. When you go to your groups, a good way to communicate, I don't know if you've exchanged phone numbers, maybe that's going to get it. But you can do group discussion, you can do a collaborate, and you can just join and talk and share your information. You can do a file exchange. You could also work with a Google Doc if you wanted to, or even you could figure out what one person, if they're going to do the 100 question or the 500 question, and you could just work right into that Jeopardy edit. One of you needs to copy or do a screenshot of your assignment and then submit it into that group work. I hope that helps. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know. Remember, Monday, March 8th is the last day to turn in work for partial credit, submit extra credit, and revise your essays. So once again, if you don't like what your grade is right now, you can absolutely improve it. Thanks for your hard work. If you need me, don't hesitate to call. Thanks.